Mac Ice won, drooling for dinner, but the rest scream, "Don't touch Brian!" This, their new feathery mascot. By sunset, they pieced together a shelter, built a fire pit, and collected enough bug bites to fill a horror movie. Just as they finally settle in for some rest, someone remembers. Sunscreen is flammable. Cue panic. Day 2 dawns, and it's time to level up the shelter before the storm they're sure is coming. Nolan and Max stumble across a random ocean buoy, shout, "Bouncy chair!" and claim it as their own. But the real star? A chicken named Brian, caught with a net, adopted by the crew, released like a Disney hero, and then instantly betrayed. R.I.P. Brian number 1, you almost made it. While the guys celebrate their engineering win, dark clouds start rolling in. By day 3, the real enemy isn't the weather, it's the bugs. Hundreds of them,